Hello and welcome back to Naughty Hooks. I'm Phaedra and today we're going to talk about the half double crochet in the third loop only. The anatomy here of the half double crochet. I have one row of half double crochet here, and let's talk about the anatomy of this for just a minute. These vertical parts of the stitch that we have here are called the post. And since we're going to be working on row 2, I need to turn my work so we can see the proper side of the stitch. These top loops here, the ones that are farthest from us, those are called the back loops. These loops here, the ones that are closest to us when looking down at it, are the front loops. And these loops here are called the third loop, or the back bump. Most of the time when you're working in the round, those loops will be in the back, but since we're working in rows, they are in the front, but they are not the front loops. So a half double crochet requires me to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook under that third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that's how you work in the third loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, if you can see this, these are the top V's that we would normally work into. And then with a half double crochet, it's easy to find that third loop right there. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that is working in the third loop with a half double crochet. And I'm going to work the rest of this row and meet you back at the end, and we're going to turn our work and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm at the end of my row. I have one more stitch to go. And I just wanted to show you real quickly. This is still on my working side. And this last stitch I wanted to show you, we still have one more V to work into. It can be kind of hard to see since we've been working into the third loop, but there it is. And if you've seen my tutorial on the chain stitch, you will know that there is a back bump even to a chain stitch. And we're going to go right into that. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And I'm just going to chain 1 to lock my stitches in place. And we're going to turn it, and this is what we get. We have a nice ribbing right here. If we were to continue on and do another round or another row, we would get an effect that would essentially push these stitches forward. And that is working in the third loop. Thank you for watching. All of my videos can be found at naughtyhooks.com under Stitch Tutorials.